Stop.
So, well, today we have same madam again, and she's come on live. I'm so sorry we couldn't come on live due to power failure, as I mentioned. And here we have some exercises for our brain. Usually we build our body, so we go to gym. And today, to build our brain, we have another exercise called brain gym. Shweta, back to us. Would you like to know? I mean, I would like to know what is this brain gym is. Are you going to give some muscles to our brain? How is it?
Yeah. See, this brain is it's like, very important organ, very important thing in our body. Training our brain is an important task. May it be child or may it be an adult, there are lots of physical exercises, like there are lots of activities to do to charge up our body. But for brain, brain is one organ which has consist of neurons, which consists of neurons. The speciality of these neurons is it doesn't regrow like normal tissues and cells. If there is any damage, there is a regrowth. But neuron cells, once it dies, there is no regrowth.
Okay.
So it is very, very important to maintain those brain neurons to be super active. You can compare to small example. 15 days you take rest, 16th day you will not be active
Sure.
because brain has relaxed and brain loves to take rest. So we should not allow to take rest. These brain gym exercises look so simple, and I have learned from a 14 Guinness record holder, a person by name Jai Simha. He's a squadron leader as well, and I got an opportunity to meet him and get his workshop as well. From him I have learned, and I extend my token of gratitude in this platform for learning that. I'll show 5 brain gym exercises which help us to keep our brain health very, very well.
So this
And adding on to this, it stimulates the midbrain.
okay.
It
So
stimulates the midbrain.
is it sorry to interrupt you? Is it suitable even for kids, or do you have any
Yeah,
age?
of course. Actually, 0 to 6 years of age is the age where major brain development happens.
Okay.
Post to that, other organs will develop. The central nervous system, brain, all that grows in 0 to 6 years. So it is very, very important for the kids to learn this so that their brain is super active.
Okay. Wait. Let me share this link to our team. Or please hold on. Let me check because I'm not very good in medias. I don't know how it goes. Probably. Okay. That's one. Let me share to our team. Hope they can also enjoy the benefit. Okay. Yes, Shweta. Shall we go ahead with it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's get started.
Is it okay? I mean, you want the camera to be set. Is it okay?
Nothing. Yeah. Is it fine?
Yeah. So how you're going to show us 5 exercises, right?
Yeah.
Let me try along with you if I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first exercise which I am going to show you, this is known as thinking cap. This
Thinking.
exercise, thinking cap.
Okay.
I'll just relate and give a small example. When we are children, when we are studying, if we don't answer to any question, what our teacher used to do, just do it like this, right? We don't know the logic behind it. Why? Because these nerves are directly connected to brain. If the child is activated here, the child will start thinking in the brain. Thought process will be more. That's why the teacher was doing like this. We don't know the concept. That's why this is known as thinking cap, because it helps the child or any person who is doing it to start thinking from his from his midbrain part. So we have to every day it is we have to make it habituated and accustomed to this wonderful habit so that our brain will be used to the fullest. You don't believe we are using only 10% of our brain. 90% is unused part. We are not using it as redundant. If we can use the 90% of our brain, definitely we will be super successful in our life. These exercises look so simple, but the impact and the importance attached to it is a great thing. Just pressing the ears by ear pinna, your brain will become active.
This part. Oh,
Yeah, ear pinna, this pinna. That's all. Just give a press 5 to 6 times early morning if we can do this.
so best time is early morning.
Best time is early morning. We all know. See, for example, if you want to talk to a child, how to convey this to the child? There is a toy, for example. There is a toy. There is a battery attached to it to work for its functioning. If we remove the battery, can it work?
No.
No, it is dysfunctional, right? Same way in human being also, this brain plays a significant role. Significant role. And this brain is consisting of 80% water. More you give that's why people make the habit drink more water, at least minimum 8 glasses of water. That good habits at the school level only teacher keep on teaching, but we don't know why we have to drink. When we know why, then we will follow that. 80%, if the brain is filled with water, it has got super fuel to work. It's like filling up the petrol tank so that you can drive your vehicle comfortably. This brain, if you give the wonderful fuel called water, that will start functioning to the fullest.
Mm-hmm.
And these exercises attached to all these basic things will give super results. And you can't imagine, the child will become wonderfully active and wonderfully thinking, and you starts using his intelligence rather than memory. That's what world needs actually today.
Okay, so this is one which
This is one exercise. And
okay.
the second one, see this, why we keep bindi or why we keep kumkum. There is a significance attached to it. When we keep it, we press our Agna Chakra. We press our Agna Chakra. When we press this Agna Chakra, no, lot of body parts, lot of nervous system, neurons, and all those nerves gets activated. So when we keep our pressure, this is a thumb finger, and when we give a pressure to this particular Agna Chakra and give clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, you just give a pressure, press on this and rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Okay, say around 10 times.
Yeah.
Because I
5
know.
to 10 times if you can do this early morning, it gives wonderful results in your thought management.
So along with meditation, we can also do this.
Yeah, there is a saying from Vivekananda, like, if you don't think and speak, you have to keep on thinking after speaking. These all exercises help us to think before inking. Think before you ink. You will think what to speak and what not to speak, so that you will not think after speaking. That much importance is attached to it. One more exercise I'll be teaching, that is the third one. Just tap your shoulders, one, and cross your hands with nose, and you have to touch your nose and ear.
Okay.
One,
so you go over.
one.
All right. All right.
You have to crisscross.
Okay. Be complicated, huh?
It comes by practice.
Okay.
It comes by practice.
So what is
It
this?
comes by,
What is this for?
this helps to see, we Indians, we are good in left brain is good, logical brain is good than the right brain. So that's the reason we use our right hand, because left part of the brain controls right part of the body. So if we start activating our right brain, definitely we'll be successful. Will be successful. So it is very important to do these kind of activities, brain gym exercises, to activate our midbrain and right brain also, so that 100% of the brain is utilized, so that we lead the fullest of our life. Yeah, one more exercise. Are you interested to learn?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're very much audible.
Are you able to hear me,
Yes,
Shweta?
yes. Fourth exercise, do you want to learn?
Yeah, 3, but this is, I think, network issue. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, fourth
I think the
exercise.
audience will be there to do it.
This is known as
This is very
brain
complicated. 1, I think I got it.
Yeah.
It's like I should practice this.
Yeah. Please practice. Please practice. And the fourth exercise is known as brain buttons. See, these two bones are there. No, just hold your hand on this button and give a pressure.
Yeah.
And just anti-clockwise and clockwise direction.
See, we have been doing sometimes, sometimes we do this, but no reason. So, do you have any purpose of doing like this? Is there any?
This, when you do this, automatically blood circulation reaches the brain.
Okay. You have to
Neural pathways are connected.
you have to press something or just like
Just press and give a pressure and encircle it clockwise and anti-clockwise.
okay.
That's how it is. It is known as brain buttons.
Okay.
Yeah. And the fifth exercise which I'll be showing is hold your hand like this, hold your hand like this, and just see just touch another hand with your index finger. Index finger should be touching this thumb finger.
Oh,
And again, the same, another index finger should be touching with the thumb finger.
okay.
Then go to the next finger, middle finger.
With the thumb.
Yeah, thumb. Again, the middle finger
Okay.
with the thumb. Then again, go to the ring finger. Again, go to the ring finger. Then last, baby finger and baby finger.
Looks like we have to do some high jump and long jump here.
Yeah, you have to practice. It doesn't come. Looks to be simple, but when you try, you have to apply your brain.
Just do it again, Shweta, if you don't mind. Can you just do the last one?
Yeah. See here, 1, 2.
Okay, okay. Rotating kind of a thing. Yeah, yeah. Looks like you have been doing it every day, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Just like a.
I'm accustomed, and it comes by practice.
What are the benefit of this now?
By mid-brain stimulation do happen. All these activities are, focused to brain activation.
Okay, so these things, I think it's suitable for all the kids also. They can start
Yeah,
with
definitely.
a good reasoning skill
Yeah.
and thinking power.
Yeah.
Feeling
In
inclusive.
our academy, and I teach my mentees also, I teach my students also, so that they start using their brain to the fullest and give their best show in this life.
Yeah, nowadays we don't give exercise for fingers, for body. Everything is being tapped. We keep typing a lot. Even in my classes, I literally make them to write, press hard so that it strikes a nail. Other they just listen, hear, and they walk off.
True. Yeah.
That is what I thought. Okay, I think there's
Training our brain is a crucial thing.
for everything. Yeah, we need to think a lot. Think as you said, right? Before we think, we need to speak, and after speaking, we need not think about it. That's a very safe thing. What you can do it. But nowadays, due to high pressure or something, due to what to say, surroundings, we tend to speak immediately. I mean, later we regret for what we spoke.
Correct. And you keep on thinking why I spoke. I should have spoken the better way, better version would have been there. Instead of that, these all simple exercises which help us to think before speaking. There's a saying, no, in English, there's a proverb also, think before you ink. It is already told, will not apply sometimes. Applying this applied knowledge, and our guru saying, knowing is not doing, doing is knowing. You will start doing rather than knowing.
Yes, we have to give.
That's how it helps.
Yeah, even the brain exercise. Even if people can't do it, audience, you can't do five. Try start with one, then two,
Yeah.
whichever is easy.
Yeah.
Later,
See, this helps a lot actually. This helps a lot. In our country, there is no lot of exposure and there is no awareness about this. It is so much people in Western countries have practiced this a lot and awareness is there.
yeah, now yoga. Most of them we don't practice, but internationally it's well famous.
It is, of course, very
Development.
internationally. It is people give lot of importance.
Yeah, even I do yoga just for the internal development, not for the external things. I don't care about it. Okay, internally if I'm healthy, I'm sure I can have a very good.
Yeah, by doing all this, enrichment begins from within.
Then people never do it at the gym and all. We should need to keep our minds positive. Once again, thanks Shweta. We'll come out with another few more exercises where our audience get benefited. Thank you, my
Definitely.
dear audience who was on Facebook, and thank you so much. We'll catch up the next with a couple of other tips for you. Thank you. Bye bye.